Welcome to my review of the Ingenie driving app. If you're looking for a way to improve your driving habits and save money on car insurance, Ingenie might just be what you're looking for. Ingenie is a unique app designed specifically for young drivers, helping them track their driving behavior and offering discounts on insurance based on their scores. The app aims to encourage safer driving through a points system, with drivers earning rewards for responsible driving. When you first open the Ingenie app, you'll be prompted to create an account. The process is quick and easy, and you'll be asked to input some basic information about your driving. Once your account is set up, you can connect your phone to the app, and it will start tracking your driving in real time. Ingenie uses your phone sensors to monitor things like speed, braking, acceleration, and cornering. It's designed to provide feedback on how safely you're driving, and the better your score, the bigger the insurance discount you could earn. The main feature of Ingenie is the driving score. As you drive, the app provides you with real-time feedback on your performance. This helps you understand what areas of your driving need improvement. For example, if you're speeding or braking too hard, the app will give you a score for each of these actions and suggest ways to improve. Over time, you can track your progress and see how your driving habits change. A key aspect of Ingenie is its reward system. The better your driving score, the greater the potential savings on your car insurance. Ingenie works with various insurance providers, so your driving behavior can have a real impact on the price you pay. This makes it especially appealing for young drivers, who often face higher insurance premiums. In terms of usability, the app is fairly intuitive. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, with a dashboard that clearly shows your current score and a breakdown of your driving performance. However, some users might find the app a bit too focused on metrics, which could make it feel more like a game than a tool for actual improvement. Many useful links can be found in the description, so make sure to check them out for more details on Ingenie and related content. Overall, Ingenie is a solid app for young drivers who want to improve their driving habits and save money on insurance. The driving score feature is a great way to track your progress, and the reward system offers an incentive to drive more safely. However, keep in mind that the app's effectiveness depends on how seriously you take the feedback and whether you're willing to adjust your driving behavior. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. Your feedback is important, so drop a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts on Ingenie.